This week on All About Property, we look at what the home buyer and seller's obligations are when it comes to the sales agreement of a property.
The seller's obligation is to deliver that product in the same condition that that buyer has seen on the day that he viewed the property.
We find out what home staging is and why it can actually help to sell your home quicker, especially in a buyer's market.
Statistics prove that staged homes sell much quicker and often for more.
And later, Sylvia explores what the right mindset is if you want to be successful in property investment.
Before you start managing your money,
Yes.
you've got to start managing your mind first. And that's critical.
That's All About Property, Wednesday evening at 8:30 p.m. only on the Home Channel.